February of 2020, did you know Travis McMichael, seated right over there?
No, no.
All right. And prior to February of 2020, did you know Greg McMichael?
I knew of Mr. McMichael from his employment at the district attorney's office here.
Had you ever worked a case with him?
Not that I recall. The only time I recall interactions is passing him one time in the district attorney's office upstairs. I don't recall if we had any interactions if he ever came to our headquarters.
All right. I'm going to direct your attention specifically to Sunday, February 23rd, 2020, approximately 1:15 in the afternoon. Were you working that day?
No, ma'am, I wasn't.
All right, so where were you?
I was at home.
All right, so what's your normal shift? I think as a detective, would you have been, it's a Sunday, so you're off.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so you're at home. What happens?
Whenever a major incident happens, our dispatch center will push out administrative pages. It's just a glorified text message, very basic information about something that's happened. I received one of those pages and called Sergeant Oliver on duty and asked if she could use a hand.
And did she take you up on it?
Not initially.
Okay. Eventually?
Yeah, eventually she agreed to let me come in and help out.
Okay. Did you respond to the scene at Holmes and Satilla?
No, ma'am.
Where did you go?
I went straight to our headquarters.
And what were you wearing that day?
The green polo and tan 511 pants that I mentioned.
Right. So when you got to the Glenn County Police Department headquarters, what was the first task that you kind of handled at that time?
Mr. Travis McMichael arrived with an officer. He was still in the clothes that he was wearing that day, and covered with blood, and had a request to get changed and cleaned up. I called down to the case agent, Investigator Lowry, and Sergeant Oliver was with him as well, and asked what's the status on that, if that's okay.